Hey guys, today I'm just going to be showing you a quick straight kids haircut that you can do at home during quarantine. So first, you want to be making these 4 sections, which we call a hot cross bun. So down the center, and from that part down to the ears. Perfect, like that. Now, another thing is, while you're cutting your hair, you would always like to have the child occupied with your TV or something like that, just so they sit still and they don't wriggle around. So the first thing I want you to do is have the first 2 sections put up into little clips and the back 2 like this. Now I want you to make a section like that diagonally on that side and one on that side like that. So make sure they're nice and even. Then you want to close it up with your clips. Just like so. And you want to get them to pop their head up. You want to make sure they're sitting nice and straight, that you have your comb, you bring it down. And you always want to... Now, if you don't have proper scissors like me, you can use your kitchen scissors. Now, if you do stuff this up, it's okay, because after quarantine, we can come in and fix it all for you. Now, I'll get you to pop your head up, please, and keep it there for a little bit. Just get them to sit up nice and straight. You want to go down with your comb and just cut off that. Now, I prepped the hair with a spray bottle and then brushed it out, so I would like you to start off with that as well. Now, after you've done this, you just continue to take sections down this way, and then always you want to bring it to the back, and this is your design line, we like to call it. So you want to bring everything back to that and make sure you're checking that everything is straight.